Hey guys, this is the Gumby mount from GoPro, sold by GoPro. This is the box itself. Notice how they twist and twist and twist. These are the flex ties that come with this device. That's the main way you're going to use this device to mount. Now, what can I mount it on? Well, that's your imagination, and this seems to be the sky is the limit. 2x4s, bike mounts, around a railing on a boat, around a railing on a truck. You think of it, you can wrap around it, you can mount it. All right, that's the box here on the back. Shows people riding in a scooter. This is the extra ties that it comes with. So if you wear these guys out by doing lots of twisting and twisting, and they don't seem to hold their shape anymore, replace them with the new ones and then wear those out. And then at that point, do what you gotta do. All right, this is the main device itself. It has some padding on the bottom for grip. Basically how you get this thing going is you turn and then you pull out the flex tie and then you can put it back in. So this is when we first get the product, how you need to install them. What's nice about this rotation is that if you mount it here, let's say I was using this in the car, I mounted this to the rear view mirror, twisted it down, and I focused outwards doing a time lapse. And then I realized I want to get a shot inside the car of us. So I was able to just turn this completely around and get the opposite shot, which is awesome. Just don't do this and forget that these things are now free to move around. The only negative is that if you are on something that vibrates a lot, you really have to twist pretty hard to keep it stable. So if you want something that's really, really secure, maybe look at the Joby grip. But for run and gun stuff, everyday stuff, to get shot to different places, this thing is a good option because you can basically mount it to anything. That's it. Like, subscribe.